Healthy practices. There is a lot of research happening around the world about children and the amount of time they spend on computer and other gadgets. Spending a lot of time on computer is leading to health and behavioral problems in kids. We should encourage the kids to take up healthy habits in daily life. Hygiene. In daily life, maintain personal hygiene like take regular bath, wash your hands before eating, etc. While using the computer, wash your hands before touching the computer. Share. In daily life, always share your food and toys with your family and friends. While using the computer, take turns, share equally with your classmates. Cleanliness. In daily life, keep your surroundings neat and clean. While using a computer, do not eat or drink near the computer. Keep the computer and its surroundings clean. Exercise. In daily life, spend at least 1 hour a day being physically active. Go out and play. While using a computer, take regular breaks and exercise or move around. Do not use the computer for more than 1 hour in a day. Posture. In daily life, maintain a correct posture while sitting, standing, and studying. While using a computer, do not use the computer in an improper posture. Keep your chair at proper height and maintain a proper distance from the computer.